I'll hand over the word to Mr. Api Reddy, Project Head at Ramki. Please.
So I would like to highlight some technical issues regarding this municipal solid waste combustion boilers. How the boilers are designed and how the cost of the generation is high because of these design limitations. And you know that this municipal solid waste is heterogeneous and it is broadly processed by composting and as well as a combustion process. Compost process is a standalone process, is not viable because of large huge landfill sites are required and amount of this land is very huge quantity of lands are required, which is not possible in India. And because of that, so it is a integrated solid waste facility combining with compost and as well as a combustion, that waste to energy is the ultimate solution for the waste processing in India. And in the combustion technical issues, so if you see this corrosion, because of chlorides and fouling, the operating temperatures of the boiler is restricted to 395 degrees centigrade and as well as a pressure also restricted to 440 bar itself. Hence the generation efficiency of the combustion is very low, and it can be total PLF can be worked out 65% only on export basis. So size of the boiler also, because of the calorific value and it is a heterogeneous, and size of the boiler also increase and the cost of the boiler increases. If you see the 50 tons per hour capacity steam generation boiler in coal or other boilers, it will require only 1000 tons of, approximately 1000 tons of steel is required for the boiler. Whereas this type of boilers, we need 3 times, that is 3000 tons of boiler, this steel is required, which is costing more for the per megawatt. This is happening, and this one. And steam also, because of this moisture is more in the municipal solid waste, and drying of this municipal solid waste is also a part of the processing of generation of waste to energy. So some of the steam is to be used for the drying of the this one. So steam cycle is also reducing, so low power generation. And because of this, I conclude like this. This important points is this low PLF and high wear and tear, corrosion and flue gas treatment cost is also included. So because of this flue gas treatment, it requires more investment for the entrepreneur. So it costing more near about 12 crores per megawatt. So that the cost of generation is increasing. For this, waste to energy is the best solution for the long-term mechanization and result in low diversion of residues to landfill. And if it is a landfill MSW composting, so lot of rejects has to be transported to the landfill site. If you go for waste to energy, so 25% of the only rejects will become, and which needs less landfill sites. So waste to energy is the ultimate solution for this. For this, I request this this government support is also required for this type of projects, and continuous support is also required by giving preferential tariff but for this type of projects. Being a social project, we are doing the service for the social. We are taking the garbage which is harmful to society, and we are generating this power which is useful for the nation growth. So this is what the entrepreneur who are coming for the developing of waste to energy projects are coming. So we request government is to come forward, and the policy makers has to make some good policies to encourage this type of waste to energy projects in India. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Reddy, especially for helping out. He has taken over from someone else who was unfortunately not able to join today. He will come tomorrow.